Upgrading your windows is one of the best investments you can make in your Pasadena home. New replacement windows improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and increase comfort year-round. But if you've never gone through the process before, you might be wondering what installation day actually looks like. Understanding what to expect can help you feel confident, prepared, and excited about your window upgrade. Step 1. In-home consultation and measurements. Every successful window installation begins with accurate measurements. Before installation day, a professional will visit your Pasadena home to assess your existing windows, inspect the surrounding frames, and take precise measurements. During this stage, you'll finalize window style and material, glass package, double pane, low E, etc. Frame color and grid options. Energy efficiency features. Accurate measurements ensure your replacement windows fit properly, which is critical in Pasadena's warm climate where tight seals prevent energy loss. Step 2. Preparing for installation day. On installation day, preparation is simple but helpful. Homeowners are typically asked to remove curtains, blinds, or window treatments, clear furniture away from windows, take down wall decor near installation areas, secure pets in a safe space. Professional installers will lay down drop cloths and protective coverings to safeguard your floors and belongings. Step 3. Removing the old windows. The first hands-on step involves carefully removing your existing windows. Installers will detach the old sashes and frames without damaging the surrounding structure. In Pasadena homes, this step may also include checking for signs of water damage, rotting wood around the frame, insulation gaps. If minor repairs are needed, they are typically addressed before installing the new window to ensure a secure foundation. Step 4. Installing the new replacement windows. Once the opening is prepared, the new window is carefully positioned. Installers check that it is level, square, and properly aligned before securing it into place. This part of the process includes anchoring the frame to structural framing, insulating gaps around the window, applying weather-resistant sealants, installing flashing to prevent moisture intrusion. Proper installation is especially important in Pasadena, where heat and humidity can affect performance if sealing isn't done correctly. Step 5. Sealing and insulating for energy efficiency. One of the biggest benefits of replacement windows is improved energy efficiency. Installers use expanding foam insulation and high-quality caulking to eliminate air leaks. This step helps reduce drafts, block hot outdoor air, maintain consistent indoor temperatures, lower energy bills. A properly sealed window makes a noticeable difference in comfort, especially during Pasadena's hot summers. Step 6. Testing and final adjustments. Before finishing, installers test each window to ensure smooth operation. They will open and close the window, check locking mechanisms, inspect seals and alignment, confirm proper fit. This quality check ensures your new windows perform exactly as intended. Step 7. Cleanup and final walkthrough. Professional installers take pride in leaving your home clean. Old windows and debris are removed, and the workspace is tidied up. Before leaving, your installer will walk you through how to operate your new windows, maintenance tips, warranty information. This ensures you feel comfortable and confident using your new windows. How long does installation take? Most replacement window installations in Pasadena can be completed in one day, depending on the number of windows being replaced. Larger projects may take longer, but disruption is typically minimal. The benefits you'll notice right away after installation. Many homeowners immediately experience improved indoor comfort, reduced outside noise, lower cooling costs, enhanced curb appeal. Your home may feel brighter, quieter, and more energy efficient almost instantly. A smooth upgrade for your Pasadena home. Replacement window installation is a straightforward process when handled by experienced professionals. From consultation to cleanup, each step is designed to ensure precision, performance, and long-lasting results. If you're planning to upgrade your Pasadena home, knowing what to expect helps make the experience stress-free and the benefits well worth it.